Welcome to Langkawi. This island in Malaysia is full of nature, beaches, and adventure. In this video, I'll take you with me. We'll enjoy Cenang Beach, see eagles flying, explore mangroves, walk inside the bat cave, watch the sunset on the Andaman Sea, and go up the famous SkyCab and SkyBridge. Stay with me until the end because Langkawi is one of the most amazing islands in Southeast Asia. My first stop is Cenang Beach. This is the most popular beach in Langkawi. Look at this view, beautiful, right? At night, Cenang is very lively. Fire show starts, music plays, lights shine, and people enjoy drinks and food by the sea. It feels safe, friendly, and full of energy. Next, I joined the GeoPark tour. This is one of the best things to do in Langkawi. You see nature, animals, and the beauty of the island from the water. Look at the boat ride. It looks calm and peaceful. But it's not that calm. Look at that. It's very bumpy actually. Sometimes we went so fast. It's part of the deal. Nothing to worry about. But sometimes we went very calm like this. And now you can listen our young tour guide.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to eagle watching area or eagle feeding area. Over here, you can see two types of eagle, the white one and the brown one. The brown one is icon for Langkawi. If you go to Kuah Town at the Eagle Square, you will find this type of eagle as a statue over there. The brown one we call as a brown mini kite. And the white one we call as a white-bellied sea eagle. So one is an eagle, one is a kite. But in our local language, everything we call as an eagle over here. If you see color, if you see brown wing and white head, that means they are a dog. If you see brown wing and brown head, that means they are still juvenile, still a baby, not a dog. Sound for kite, they will make sound like cry baby. But for eagle, they will make sound like seagull, sometimes sound like duck. And fun fact, female will make a sound, hint for husband, my wife is hungry.
Langkawi is famous for eagles. In fact, the name Langkawi comes from the word helang, which means eagle in Malay language. Here our guide explains why they feed eagles with chicken skin.
Skin easy to float, but fish easy to sink. So that's why we choose chicken skin.
I see.
You can see what sea eagle over there.
Çok güzel şurası.
Langkawi used to be a very important destination, but now it's forgotten already. However, we were lucky to go there. We experienced there very well. From this point, I'm actually too lazy to do the voiceover. So I will leave you with the raw audio for the rest of the video.
Our local people love to name something by the looks. So, done photo?
Yes, we can go.
Oh, yang petang punya tak ada kan? Apa sih yang anda Not yet.
Huh? So now we are in Malaysia, and those mountains right over there are Thailand.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Mr. Unforgettable.
Yalnız büyük çekim yapıyorum var ya şu an. Köprü görünmüyor ya. Greetings from Langkawi, SkyBridge. Look at this. And that one. I'm not sure if they are aware how beautiful is their view. Hey little buddy, is it delicious? Are you even real? Look at this beautiful view. Wonderful. Langkawi in Malaysia. Come closer. All the green, blue, foggy weather. It's just perfect. And this is Eagle Nest Skywalk. This eagle is a very symbolic animal for people of Langkawi. Yesterday we went to the GeoPark, and in the GeoPark we saw eagles. They have been fed by the visitors, by the tourists, and now we are in SkyCab, and look at this view. And right over here there is a waterfall. Maybe you could see it. So one of these bros had food in his bag, and this little thief stole it. Absolutely stunning cable car ride. And this is the SkyBridge. So you may be wondering if it's secure and safe to go there. Here is the explanation. They have 5 layers of glass, structural glass floor system. So it's not very visible now, but that side is Thailand. Not visible at all. So from the very beginning, you take a cable car, and this SkyCab costs about 85 ringgit per person, and it's about $1 is 4 ringgit. You can make your own calculation. So this is the middle station. Right over there, there is an eagle nest, and from the eagle nest, you can see down there, it's a glass nest, glass terrace, I could say. And this is the final destination of the SkyCab, and from here we will walk through this jungle and we will go to this SkyBridge. We will go to right over here to the SkyBridge. It's an amazing view from here. So yeah, if you come to Malaysia, you should definitely go to Langkawi, and if you are in Langkawi, this is a must visit place. So from 6 ringgits per person, you can come and walk on the sky, literally. So the flag of Malaysia is very similar to the one from the US. It has 13 stripes that represents the states of the country. I'm not sure if it's visible in the video, but this is the view. So now we are walking on the sky, and the bridge is shaking. A little terrible, huh? Shaking. Look at this video. Look. I think I will be shaking soon. Damn. Here is the quick construction tour of SkyCab. Completion date August 2022. Sorry, 2002 only. So it has been almost 25 years. And here are some construction photos with helicopters and everything. And this is the view we get to see right now. Here is the base station, and with the cable car we go first 1.7 kilometers to the middle station. It's 650 meters from sea level, and then top station, which is 708 meters from sea level. There are too many different species of snakes, birds, monkeys over here in this jungle. We are walking back from the SkyBridge. So that's a wrap. This is a video of Langkawi. I hope this video makes you want to go to Langkawi. And if you want to ask any questions, please comment. And if you like this video and to see more, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.